The remote in my hand is the newly released Iris remote. Let me introduce you with the buttons. This is the function button. This is the power button. This is the throttle. Push to accelerate, pull to brake. This is the button for riding orientation. This is the remote's indicating light. This is the charging port. It's Type-C. Please use the standard charging cable which comes with the remote to charge it. If the remote was ordered separately with your skateboard, then we'll need to pair the remote with your skateboard. So long press the power button on the skateboard until the indicator light flashes rapidly like this. Now, long press the power button on the remote. Since the skateboard we have right now is with belt drive, so we choose belt. Enter the power button to confirm. Now we go to wheel diameter. Since we're using MAD 125 wheels, so we changed the wheel diameter to 125. Press power button to confirm. Okay, the gear ratio for 125 MAD wheels should be 3, so we change to 3. Press power button to confirm. Pole pairs. All OMW boards pole pairs are 7, so we just press power button to confirm. Okay, all the settings are done, so the new remote has been paired successfully with the skateboard. This is the main interface of the Iris remote. This is gear mode 1. This is the remote's battery, board's battery, trip mileage, total mileage, speedometer, and this is the indicator of the light, cursor control, and this is the unit of the speed. Now we practice accelerating and braking. Push the throttle to accelerate. You can see the wheels are rolling forward, and the direction is like this. If we push the button down and accelerate, you can see the wheels are rolling backwards, and the icon here is pointing down. Press the function button to switch the gear mode. Gear 2, Gear 3, Gear 4. So different gears shows different color. Press the function button twice to switch the unit of the speedometer. Press the function button 3 times to lock the remote. You can unlock it by pressing power button or the function button. Unlock it. Press the function button 5 times to switch the theme of the display. So this is another theme. This is the 3rd theme. Press the power button twice to turn on the lights. Brake the throttle 3 times to switch color. Press the power button 5 times to enter into setting page. This is the gear position. Press power button to enter. Gear speed setting. At gear speed setting page, we can set the top speed of each gear. For example, at gear mode 1, the top speed can be set between 15 to 25 kilometers per hour. Right now, it is the lowest top speed, which is 15 kilometers per hour. We can press the power button to enter and then push the throttle. Now it is 25 kilometers per hour for the top speed. So we can move the throttle and to lower the top speed of each gear and then exit. You can set the other 3 gear modes as you like. That's all the settings about the gear speed setting. All the settings are done. Press function button to exit. Okay, move to gear acceleration setting. Power button to confirm. The gear acceleration setting, we can see the default acceleration setting is 100% accelerating. So we can press the button to enter and set the acceleration curve. We can set if we find the skateboard is too aggressive. So we can set it to 80% like this. Function button to confirm and move down. When all the settings are done, press function button to exit. This is a gear brake curve setting. Press power button to enter. This is the same as gear acceleration setting. The next should be wheel diameter. Press power to enter. This is a 125. This is the correct. So we can pull or push the throttle to move to the correct diameter and then exit. Gear ratio. Yeah, this is a 3. If you want to change to 2.5, okay, function to exit. Motor type. Belt. Exit. Pole pairs. 7. Correct. Exit. Then set up. Unit setting. You can change to miles or kilometer. Default forward direction. If you find your board riding orientation is in the opposite direction, you can make the change here. Put CW to CCW. Exit. Restore factory setting. This means that all of your settings will be erased. Single loss active braking. Our suggestion is to keep it on so that if the signal of your remote is lost during riding, the system will initiate braking gradually and to force the skateboard stop. Light. This is the light setting. Since OMW's light system has not been integrated with the Hobbywing remote, so we can only use the ambient light for now. Click power button to enter and move to dimmable color ring light. Then we can change the light color on the remote here. It's ice blue right now, and we can change from here by the throttle. See? It's changing. It's purple now. Yellow. This is cruise control function. Press power to enter. The default setting is off. If you want to turn on the cruise control function, press power to enter and use the throttle to choose on and off. Now the cruise control function is on. Let's go back to the main page. Okay, this is gear 3. So we push the throttle to reach a certain speed. It should be over 3 kilometers per hour. So we can initiate the cruise control function. Let's do this at 30 kilometers per hour. Now we press the power button. The cruise control speed has been set on 30 kilometers per hour, and you can see the cruise control icon is on. We can move the throttle or press any of these two buttons to exit. Update. This is for us to check the latest version of your firmware. If the remote is not operated for 15 seconds, it will be locked automatically, like this. So the throttle will not work, but brake still works. We can press the power button to enter, to unlock the remote. Okay, these are all for the introduction of the Iris remote. Thank you for watching.